Hey everyone, it's Elaine. Well, do you see it? Do you see it? I have lights. I have lights. I am so darn excited. So let's go in. Yeah, it's daytime now, but come on, let's go in. Let's go in. I've moved a few things in, just grabbing things every time I make a trip. But here we go. I have lights. There is going to be a toolbar in the back where I can stand and die cut and etc. Here's my lights on my beams. We'll get another glimpse of them. There's my kitchen light. A little bit of storage stuff up there glaring at me. And now my bathroom is not finished. Still has to be hooked up. But I have lights. I have lights. Do you see that I have lights? I'm excited. I'm excited. Okay, some more of my junk. Now, air conditioner still has to go, and plumbing, and that'll be me. So let's go on back here to the door and let you get a glimpse of it. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it pretty? I hope this video is doing it justice. I am so tickled. But it's a hot day here in Georgia. I really could be using that air conditioning. But yeah, like I said, made a trip. Got an old dump bin from my retail days. Got some rickety old tables that I'm gonna try to do something with. The corners are kind of beat up. And then I'm gonna have a couple tables around the perimeter. Not quite sure how I'm gonna set everything up yet. The one thing that I did purchase new was that bookcase. I have another one just like it that hopefully will fit right there next to it. And that's where all my books are going to go that I tear up. So that's really it. I'm just excited that I have lights. So I appreciate y'all coming by. And if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Hopefully it won't be much longer and good things are coming down the road. I appreciate it. Kind of getting out of breath. I'll talk to you later. Bye.